Hello everyone, I Devesh Jaswal. Welcome to my lecture on electric drives. Today I am going to discuss about the basic concept of electric drives. So now let us start. This one is the contents which is to be discussed here. First one is concept of electric drives, and second I will discuss the types of electric drives. So now let us start. Now let us see the concept of electric drive. In many industrial applications, an electric drive is the most important component. A complete production unit consists of three basic components. First one is electric motor, second one transmitting device, and third is the working machine. An electric motor is the source of motive power, and the second energy transmitting device delivers the power from electric motor to working machine or load, for example shaft, belt, chain, rope, etc. And the third one is the working machine, which is the driven machine that performs the required production process. For example, lathe machine, centrifugal pumps, drilling machines, lift, conveyor, belts, etc. Therefore, an electric drive, together with its control equipment and energy transmitting device, forms an electric drive. So we can write electric drive is equal to electric motor plus control equipment and energy transmitting device. Now another term is electric drive system. So an electric drive with its working machine constitute an electric drive system. So electric drive system, that will be equal to electric drive plus working machine. For example, we see for electric drive a ceiling fan motor with its speed regulator but without blades, whereas in case of electric drive system, a ceiling fan motor with its speed regulator and also with blades. Second example may be as a food mixture with its speed regulator but without foods, while electric drive system have a food mixture with its speed regulator and foods to be processed. Now this is the block diagram of electric drive system. In this block diagram, power controller, motor and energy transmitting device such as shaft makes a electric drive system, while the electric drive combining with working machine makes a complete electric drive system. This is also a block diagram of electric drive system where a feedback loop is being used, which makes a closed loop electric drive system. Now let us see the types of electric drive. Electric drives are mainly of two types. First one is DC drives and second one is AC drives. Both are different from each other in such a way that motive power in DC drives is provided by DC motor and motive power in AC drive is provided by AC motor. In this lecture I will deal with DC drives only. Okay. Now DC motors are used extensively in adjustable speed drives and some position control applications. So the speed control method for DC motors are simpler, less expensive than AC motor. So DC motors are preferred over the AC motors. Depending upon the type of source and method of voltage control, DC drives are classified as single phase DC drives, three phase DC drives and chopper drives. In single phase drives and three phase drives, phase controlled converters are provided for adjustable DC output voltage. In chopper drives, generally DC choppers are provided for speed control of DC motors. Okay, thank you very much.